Hey guys, John here with EZ LYNK. Going to talk about the SGM adapter. What that's going to be for is anything 18 and up, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, Jeep, most of your Stellantis products. So we're also going to go over how to install that and what comes in the box. So here with the box, we've got the adapter. You can go ahead and set that down. Got the adapter that connects to the got the adapter that connects to the Auto Agent 3. We got the adapter that connects to the OBD side. And then this little guy is going to plug into the SGM box. The SGM box on the Rams, this one's a 21, located on the driver's side kick panel. It's kind of up in there. So we're going to show you where that's at and how to install this. Okay, so we've plugged in to the OBD port. And we've plugged into the Auto Agent. We're going to reach up in here on this green connector. Any of these available ports we're going to plug into. So we're going to find an open one. It's typically going to be up higher. And we're going to plug that in, make sure it seats in. And then we can tuck the rest of the cable up out of the way. Okay, so we've got our SGM plugged in. One important note, we plugged into the first port. We weren't able to connect with the Auto Agent, so we were able to go into another port. Sometimes the little tab on that is a pain to get in and out. If you're going to be moving this in and out of vehicles, you may want to depress that tab, kind of push it in a little harder, or potentially even break that off, so that if you're moving it in and out, it makes it a lot easier to get it in and out of those ports. Okay, now that we've got the SGM cable installed, that's important because anytime we want to update the TCM, ECM, we want to do any of the vehicle functions, we need to have that SGM cable installed. That's going to bypass that security gateway module. For typical PID monitoring, doing data logs, you can do that without that installed. The nice thing especially on these Rams, 18 and newer, is it's going to give you a relocation for your Auto Agent, because the way that this is set up, the Auto Agent would point straight down and you'd kick it with your feet if you left it plugged in. So another benefit to having that SGM cable. Thanks for watching. Tune in for more. We're going to be running through the vehicle functions on this, and we'll get those for you, show you what we have available, and kind of run through that. Thanks for stopping by.